This exact strategy I use to pass 50K funded account challenge. So let me show you. It's called NMT. I created it. It's super easy and it's super simple. It's super mechanical also, so you're not relying on intuition or just hoping for supply and demand or support and resistance, all that buffoonery. I've really honed this down. I trade this live Monday through Friday on my YouTube channel on the 5 second time frame. And then after I show you the strategy, we're gonna back test the strategy on the 5 second time frame, just like how I do live. And I'll get rid of my face here so you can see everything. Let's get rid of it. Okay. So here's the strategy. I'm looking for a sweep. Then after a sweep, I'm getting a swing high and a swing low, and I'm creating a zone. After the zone is created, I want to tap on the zone, a break of structure after the tap, and my last requirement before entering is I want price to reach 1 SDV, meaning 1 standard deviation, also meaning 100% away from the zone. Then I'll put my order at 50% on my stop 1 tick below, and my take profit on the line above. And I would only take my order off if I got 3 or more taps. If I got 2 taps or less, I'll keep my order on. So let's get into this backtest session. We're on December 4th at 9:30 a.m. I don't like to take any trades until after 9:40, so let's skip ahead to 9:40. I do this because volatility, and the strategy works best. Uh, Stable volatility. It works in any market, even any. It really works on anything, any time frame too. You can even find the same strategy on Bitcoin and be profitable trading Bitcoin. Um, but I like to trade futures, especially with this opportunity that we have with prop firms, and I like NQ because NQ is just super consistent. So like we see a setup here, we see a sweep right here, a tap on the zone, and then we need a break of structure after the tap, and 100% away from the zone, but it did not reach 100% away. Let's see, we can check this right here to see standard deviation, 1 SCDV. Yeah, it needs 100% away. Doesn't look like it's gonna happen here, so let's ignore it. Just a deep tap. I don't know how I feel about it. Sometimes I'm okay with deep taps. It really depends. Want to make sure it didn't get too close to 40%. So in this situation here, I really want price to come down. But it's not a setup I'm really interested in right now because it looks very bullish. We have broke the range. I have these pink lines are, let's just delete this. These pink lines right here is initial balance of first hour high and low open from 8:30 to 9:30 Central Time. It's the first hour open for me. These blue lines are from 3 to 8 o'clock high and low. It's London. I get a lot of resistance at those lines, so I always mark them out. And then we're looking for a setup. I stopped trading at 11 o'clock, so let's put a line there. 11. And I get back at it again at 12:30. All right. And let me show you too if you want to see today's results from the live stream. I did 3 trades, and we ended the day with 1 loss and 2 wins. Yesterday was 2 wins, and then I traded really sick. I shouldn't even trade. I was just so sick. Um, my setup delivered on this day, but I was trying to go for the eternal swing, trying to go for more, and I didn't get it. Um, but I should have stopped doing that and should go for the 1-to-1 because that's what I'm trying to do live. And I was too sick to even be trading that day. Um, and that's basically it. So let's just get more into this back test. Let's skip it. See if we can get a play here. Don't see nothing so far. It's breaking this range. December is known for having bad price action. It's very predictable. So we might not find any setups, but let's just hope for the best here. I see something here. Look. See it tap. Okay, we just need standard deviation to hit. Let's see how far that is. 1 SCDV. Okay. Skip this ahead and see if we can reach 1 SCDV. And we did not. Let's just keep it moving. I'm going to leave this zone up here for direction so I can understand if we don't break above that we'll still be bearish. Let's see. Kind of sucks when I make a whole video and I find no setups. Just feel like I'm just wasting time. But we're backtesting, and we're backtesting the hardest month of the year. So it really just puts the strategy to the test. And I would trade live, so you can ask me questions in the live streams. You can hop on the Discord. Even have a mentorship with a free trial that has a course in it. There's so much education that I offer. There's so much that you can take advantage of. And please don't be afraid to ask questions. I'd love to help. I want you to succeed. See nothing going on here. Just speed up the candles. Yeah, it's a lot of chop. This is so disgusting. It's that December price action. Come on, give me something, buddy. Give me something. And then 11 o'clock hits. I'll skip to the afternoon session. See if I find anything. Pause. Do I see something here? I do not. I thought I did here, but there's no clear tap. The tap isn't close enough. It's close, but it's not how I want it to be, so I'm not going to take it. Yeah, this is like really bad. We're just chopping away. Let's see. Do I see something here? Not really. It's like if I was trying to force a setup, but I'm not going to take it. See right there. Sweep of accumulation or a zone. This accumulation right here. Tap in the zone. Break of structure, alter the tap. But it's not something I would trade just because price is just too ugly. Respecting the zone here. Pretty cool. See if it fails it. Yep. Did it go to 50%? Oh, almost 50%. Real close. Oh, that's funny. Ended up delivering. Pretty cool. Okay, do I see anything else? Let's pause this, give us a look. I don't know. This is like kind of forcing it. Okay. Like, I like it. I like it. We'll put an order here. Yeah, let's do that. So let's get our fibs here. Let's make sure we reach standard deviation. Pretty sure we did, but just double check. When SADV, awesome. Have our tap, our break of structure after the tap. Let's do 40%. Let's put our order here. Slow this down a bit. We might not even come back up. Or stop one tick above. Oh, you know what? I did the wrong one. There it goes. There we go. Their TP here. Let's see if we even come back. 'Cause so far, this doesn't look good. This zone was holding pretty nicely and strong. Let me see. Let me pause this for 1 second. Alright, let's see. Let's get this back to business. Let's see, hold on. Oh, my bad, my bad. Okay. Let's see what happens. It's increased price. Let me pause this 1 second. Sorry, my wife was talking to me. I had to pause it a bunch. Back to business. So let's see. Did we fill up here? This is textbook setup. Sweep right here. Tap on the zone. Let's increase speed here. See what happens. Come on. It's taking its sweet time to come back up. I don't see any other setups to the downside or upside. It's chopping a lot. This setup's looking less and less appetizing just because how much we're chopping down here. Okay. Let me see. There's something that I wanted to mark out here. It's holding strong. There it goes. It's not something I would take, but it's a setup that can help us gauge direction. So if we reject this and blow to this, then we can confirm bullish. But let's just see if we get filled over here. Come on, buddy. And then if we do get filled up here, I'll journal the trade. So I see nothing so far. I think there was a setup that I missed here. Let's see. Let me show you. It didn't really fill. It got real close to it. But sweep, tap, break a structure after the tap. Then we came in and filled 50%, but it got real close and it didn't fail. So let's keep it moving. Alright. This downside zone. I'm still interested in this zone, but it's becoming less and less appetizing just because how far we've came. Jeez, I can't click it. There it goes. It's holding. Not really doing anything. Do we see any other plays here? What about this setup right here? I do not like how many taps are on the zone. So deviation 1, 2. So it play out more. Yeah, I don't like this at all. Let's see. Yeah, it's not something I'll be interested in taking just because how we reacted to it. And we got way too close to 50%. Okay, in this zone. Yep. Come on, give me something, buddy. Yeah, it's just doing a whole lot of nothing. Make this red. It's pretty bad price action here. See a zone here, but this tap was way too deep. Yeah, it's a no. Come on. So I still want that play above. Just don't like how far we've gotten away from it. Okay, so let's find a reason to not take this trade. We have a clear tap on it. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, let's just take it. I'll see why not. I need to increase this blue line. Tells me where 40% is at. Okay, let's see what price does. We have a nice little reaction. Ah, I have to take the order off. So when we reach 40% here, we cross and we come back to this blue line. The zone becomes mitigated for me, meaning that the zone is no longer tradable, so I have to take it off. But let's see if it delivers. I don't think it will because it already got mitigated. Yeah, so it didn't. It already mitigated it. So if it came real close right here, once again, so 40%, and then hit the blue line, yeah, it's no longer tradable. Let's keep going. Yeah, nothing here. So then, let's just skip to 12:30. Just real bad price action on the day. Let's journal this though. Actually, let's see. Let me rewind. Oh, back. There it goes. Oh man. Okay. Let's take a picture of this. Oh, let me see it. Get the bigger picture. Let's put it in the journal. No. There it goes like that. Wanted this play, but took the order off due to it getting very close. Oh, took the order off due to it crossing 40%, then 12.5%. Just meaning it got mitigated. Okay, and let's skip to 12 o'clock, 12:30, and hopefully we can find something after 12:30. I doubt we will, just because price action has not been ideal. Okay, so let's get rid of this. Let's see if we see any zones here that we need to mark out for direction, like this sweep up here. Yep. Let's make it red. And then zone on the bottom, just understanding the range here. Let's make this one green. Extend it out. Okay, let's see if we find any other setups. Okay, press play, skip it forward. See anything gets made here. So, okay, it broke this range. It hasn't fully closed yet. If it does, I normally find a setup to the downside after that. And I don't like taking zones inside zones. Okay, so we have resistance here is London. Sometimes we'll get a good pullback, which will create that sweep for us that we're looking for. Not all the time, but most of the time we will. Okay, pause. Let's right here. It wasn't that. We need a nice tap on it before we take it. See if we get a nice tap. I don't think we will though. And yeah, this is like it's gonna happen. We never know. If we get a tap, we still need the break of structure. No tap just yet. There's our tap. No breakers. Nope, never mind. There it goes. It's bad price action. Come on, man. Give me something. Looks like I'm getting nothing here. Nope. Nope. Anything here? Nope. It's one of those days. And we stop at 130. I'll put a line there. Come on. Gotta show the viewer something. I do got videos though, and trade live where I catch setups. Just kind of sucks that there's nothing I can really show you here. Yeah, tap is just way too deep. Extend this out. Oh, that zone almost filled. About 40%. Let's keep moving. Nothing. Man, I really don't think we're gonna find anything. 130 hits. Then I'm just gonna call the session. But I'm so selective because I want a higher win rate. There's something. There's a setup above. I doubt we'll even come back to it. It's very risky though, but I'll mark it out. We'll even take the play for the video. 40%. Put the order here. I'll go over the setup shortly. So we got the sweep right here, just like this example up here. Sweep right here. Tap on the zone. Break a structure after the tap. And then we 1000% have reached 100% away from the zone. I'll slow price down when we get real close to it. Even if we do. Come on. Stop playing these games with me, buddy. I know you want to fail. Ideally, this isn't something I like. Okay. Slow it down. Right here. See it. Make sure we're at. Whatever. I'll leave it. Okay, let's increase speed. Let's hope that we get filled here and not at 40%. Like we did earlier. Come on. Oh man. There's our one tap after standard deviation. If we get 2 more taps, we'll take the order off. Let's increase speed here. Come on. Okay, that's gonna be our second tap. If we get a third tap, we'll take this order off. Clear second tap. Oh, this will be our third tap if we come down and break the eternal swing. Oh, there goes. We got filled to this box. Let's see if our stops up here. Take profits down here. And we won. Awesome. Let's document this. Okay. And I'll conclude the session there. There's no need trying to force another setup after this. So look, textbook setup, I'll go over it with you right now too. I'll do some drawings here, so control. So we have a sweep right here, clear sweep. We get the swing high, or the swing low, swing high. So we get the swing high, swing low, create the zone, tap on the zone, break a structure after the tap. We then want less than 3 taps before entering. So we have tap right here is 1, 2, and then we didn't get a full third one. We came right to 50% and hit our take profit. We had our stop 1 tick above and our TP on the line below. And that was it. And then here's a journal. Let's finish a journal up right here. Was selective and took a textbook setup. And our P now, we're up 1R. Our risk per trade. I normally risk 200, but I was backtesting, so I can't do it. Manage DD, yes, by limiting our trades. Super EQ. I did both sessions. I only took one trade, and that is it. And that concludes our video. If you want more insight, I'm just gonna make my face bigger here. If you want more stuff, I have the mentorship. I have a video below where it takes you to more in depth on this. I trade live Monday through Friday from 9:40 to 11 o'clock Central Time. There's so much that I offer. There's so much that I do. I make a bunch of YouTube shorts, Instagram shorts, long form content. I have more backtest videos. There's so much you can learn the strategy and master it. Message me on the Discord. Reach out to me on socials. I'd love to help you. There's so much that I offer. There's no reason why you should still be unprofitable. Let me be your mentor. I can get you to the next level. I promise you that. I have a strategy that is so mechanical. You're just doing the same thing again and again and again. And I'm trading the 5-second time frame. It sounds ridiculous and crazy, but I make it look easy because it is easy. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you later.